Hello guys, welcome back to AneFX channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Metatrader 5 on your mobile phone. Yes, it is time to set it up and get ready for trading. So, before we start, this is my Metatrader 5. So I'm going to uninstall it right now so that you follow this tutorial step by step. Yes, come to your Play Store, tap the search bar and type Meta, is showing here. Click on install. You spend a couple of minutes. Now you click on open. Click on accept. So now Metatrader is ready to offer a free demo account. So if you're a complete beginner, I suggest you click on open account so that you create your practicing account. At this point, you put your details, your first name, second name, date of birth, phone number, email address, and then account information. You choose whatever account you want, USD, Euro, Japanese, yen, and so on. You choose, let's choose USD. For me, I choose USD. So leverage, you can choose whatever you want, but I suggest the default. And then deposit, you can choose whatever amount. It's a virtual account, so you can choose whatever amount. Let's leave it there, 100,000 USD. And then you toggle on this accept button, and then you click on register. You click on done. So now we have a new demo account. So this is the new account we just opened. Now you are ready to practice. Yes, new account with 100,000 USD. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification button. Thank you. See you in the next video.